Hello, and welcome to a new episode of this JPAD Modeller tutorial series. During this video we will explore the contents of the fuselage section of the CAD Manager. This is the simplest section of the CAD Manager and allows to handle the number of sections to be used to model both the nose and the tail trunks of the JPAD Modeller fuselage, as well as their longitudinal spacing. At least 2 sections are needed to correctly model the nose trunk or the tail trunk. Additional sections could be used to increase the geometrical detail of the curvatures of those trunks. Concerning the longitudinal spacing of those sections, you can easily choose it from the related drop-down menu. For example, a uniform spacing allows to have the sections equally spaced on the length of the trunk. A cosinus spacing allows to have a higher section density the extremes of the trunk, while a half cosinus spacing allows to dense the section on one of the extremes. The next video will be focused on the generic lifting surface component of the JPAD Modeller CAD Manager menu. See you there.